Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome to my Aquastar Love Thought. Let's see what's coming for our Sagittarius in their love life. This will be a general reading, so may or may not resonate with you. If not, you can check other readings of Sagittarius in my channel. You can check out all those or collective readings, or you can check out your moon sign, rising sign, Venus of your natal chart. Let's see what's coming for our Sagittarius in their love life. Angels, show me what's coming for our Sagittarius in their love life. Okay, stability and self respect, and pay attention to the signs. So, here, what I am seeing that in the bottom of the deck, there is a new love and get to know each other. So, there someone new is coming towards you, and you both will go through a dating process, or you will get to know each other properly, and you both will respect each other. Pay attention to the signs. Some sign and synchronicities will make you understand that this person is your mirror self, and you will try to get to know this person very deeply, and you will try to work on this connection to get married, I think, because there is a strong chemistry between you and them, and or that's the reason you will get try to get married to each other, or you will think about it properly, or you will think about it in a serious manner, or you will take an action towards this committed relationship. Or if you are committed, then you will take action to make it stable. Or if you are committed, if you are not committed, you are single, then you will try to get to know each other and come to a conclusion that you will get committed, and for that you will take actions. Okay, let's see what's coming for our Sagittarius. Who is this new love is for Sagittarius? Two of Cups, Three of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles. You are single. If you are single, someone new will come towards you in your workplace. I'm getting you will get to know this person in your workplace, or somewhere you went in your day to day schedule, and there you will know about this person. Maybe this person is little bit darker, or here I'm brown, I'm getting. Yes, so you will feel that attention, or you will feel that affection towards this person in the first sight. Okay, let's see what is the get to know each other. I'm getting that you both will go for a date or something like that, and then you will understand that how much common or how much compatibility is there in between you and them. Let's see, get to know each other and chemistry. Okay. Hmm? Let's see, these are the false one. Why we I don't get any connection of these cards with this card. Why there is a chemistry and get to know each other for Sagittarius. Page of Wands, Knight of Wands, Two of Swords. I am getting that you have two options in your love life. Ace of Wands, Justice, Star card. Yes, Fool. I am getting that maybe a Libra or a Aquarius is there in your energy. Maybe a Aries or Virgo is also there. So you want to choose between these two. Ace of Wands, you want to take an action. You want to take a risk for this connection. Okay. So I'm getting that there is options in your love life. Seven of Pentacles, Nine of Swords, Seven of Wands. That's I'm getting that you are holding back from the situation to take a solid commitment with whom you will take action, with for whom you want to take action, or something like that. That where should you take action, with whom you should be committed. Okay, so let's see, self-respect and committed relationship. What's this? What about the self-respect and committed relationship? Okay, Wheel of Fortune, Nine of Cups, and Nine of Wands. Okay, I am getting that after a while, when you both will understand each other, when you will get to know each other, you will see that you have options, right? You will try to know that which person will make you happy, or which person will be your wish fulfillment. Nine of Cups. For them only you will take further action, and for them you will be try to get committed with that person. Okay, Knight of Cups, Knight of King of Swords, Chariot. You will move forward with that person who will respect you, who will make you happy in the long run. Or yes, Death card and Six of Cups. Your life will be transformed by this Scorpio. Maybe someone Scorpio is there. This person will, or a past person will come towards you. Six of Cups, Death card. Transform, someone from the past will try to, um, yes, Three of Cups. Someone from the past will try to uh, come towards you again to make you remember about their past connection. Ten of Wands, but there is no such chance left, because this is a Ten of Swords. The end is end for you. King of Wands, you will not take any step for this person, past person, because Knight of Pentacles is also there. Ten of Swords, Four of Cups. Yes, you will keep your mouth shut, or you will not show them any affection, any attention, because you know about their uh, what they gone. I'm getting what you gone through. You know it well. That's why you have ended this chapter, and you have taken that decision to move away from them. Maybe you will forgive them, and you want a solid commitment. So I think after a while, you will choose to cut this person off, that past person off from you. That's the reason there is a page of pay attention to the sign. Someone from the past will come. So angels are saying, pay attention to the sign. Someone is coming towards you. Mm, yes, judgment. You will take that action. You will not. See, magician is there. The past person will manipulate you. Five of Swords. Yeah, Two of Wands. Manipulate you to take action towards them. But I'm getting that you will take the action for the person whom you will think, the person who is for you, and the person who will respect you, make you happy. For them, you will take action. For whom you are taking action? The past or the new one? And just tell me. Tower and Hangman. Yes, there will be a big shift in your connection. Tower and Hangman. You will take a pause. After this, the past person will contact you, and then what will be the action? What will be the action? Four of Cups. I told you, you will not take any action. Strength. You will hold back from the past person. What will be the action then? This is the action only. Not to take any action is also a act of action. What will be the action? Yes, Emperor. You will show their place. What's their place? Emperor and Seven of Pentacles. You will show them that how you have also better options from them, and you will move on from this situation. Queen of Pentacles and Knight of Swords. Yes, you will show, or you will make them understand that you got your person in your life. You got the person whom you want to be with. You will show them, or you will inform them about someone you have with you. See, they will be in the nightmare that you hold back from this person. Yes, Five of Pentacles. This person will leave you. Yeah, Four of Swords. They will keep quiet and move on from you. Let's see what will be the stability. With whom you will get the stability. Cards flew away. Sorry. Knight of Swords and Queen of Pentacles. You will show that you got your person with you. And now, with whom you will get stability? Sagittarius. With whom will Sagittarius get stability? Five of Pentacles and Eight of Wands. Your past person will move away from you. They will understand that someone new is there in your life. Queen of Cups, Ace of Cups, yeah. With whom you will be happy with. What? Clarify the stability. Clarify the card stability for Sagittarius. Clarify the card stability for Sagittarius. Death card and Six of Cups. Again, that Death card and Six of Cups. The past person will miss you for the good now. Two of Wands. Yeah. They will have to get lots of courage to move away or move on from you. What will be the stability? Give me the card for this. Don't want anything for the X one. What will be the stability? Yeah, Ace of Pentacles. Someone new with whom you will start your Knight of Pentacles. Someone new with whom you will start your journey. Slowly but steadily, you will start your journey with that person. Ace of Swords, King of Swords, Knight of Cups, and Nine of Swords. I think there will be some emotional. I am getting that you will be a bit nervous with this new person. That's why the Nine of Swords is here. Yeah. Queen of Wands, Ace of Cups, and Queen of Cups. Maybe this is a same gender connection, or I'm getting that you both will be very much happy with each other. Queen of Cups and Queen of Wands and Ace of Cups. There will be a new connection with you. Page of Swords. Yeah. So let's see what's your partner wants to tell you. What's their emotions for you? I am getting that the past person's emotions is also coming, and the also will come, and the new person. There is two energies in your reading, so take it as it resonates with you. I don't desire anyone the way I desire you. It's your desire for the new person. I don't feel right being apart from you. This is your past person. You are too good for me. This is the past person. What about the new person? What their emotions? What they want to tell you? I am secretly obsessed with you. Your new person is low-key obsessed with you. So let's see what else they want to tell you. Your past person or your present person who is coming towards you. I show off on social media. This is the past person. I'm scared of losing you. This is the past person. I stalk you. Same, the past person. I want all I really want to see you again. See, your past person have lots of emotions and lots of energies for you. I cannot feel you desire me. Yes, definitely. You are not desiring this past person. I can feel your desire for me. Why I have said that I cannot feel your desire for me? I saw it. I need security. You're the perfect one. Your past person is saying it's still not over, boo. They will come. Definitely, they will come and talk to you because they are stalking you from the far in social media. See what they have to tell you. I hope I haven't lost you. They are hoping that you, because you are dealing with the new energy, na? So that is the reason this person is seeing that you are not taking any interest on them. So that is the reason they are feeling that. I really haven't been happy without you. Your presence in my life. I'm dreaming of it. Definitely, this first person is crazy about you. I deserve, yeah, you deserve better than anything I can offer. They know it well. Why you so mean? Strong energies of past person in your reading. What about the new person? I want to hold you. Yes, I want to. I keep your text. I want to. I talk to you a lot in my head. I need me like I need you. I believe we are meant for each other. This is the present person's energy. Okay. I kept your text. I know I am the one to blame. This is the past person. Strict. See, whenever I am trying to pull your new person's energy, they are overlapping this energy. Yeah. I know you won't be the same. You won't feel the same. This past person is strongly desiring you, and they also know that you are not feeling the same for them. So, this is the energy going on in your love life. See, what's your guidance for Sagittarius? And just tell me what the guidance for our Sagittarius for their love life. Show forgiveness. Yes, you have to forgive your past person. Let them forgive, otherwise they will linger, their energy will linger on with you. Forgive them and don't forget them, but forgive them and let them go. Otherwise they will again come back to you because they are not getting that forgiveness. Their soul is tied to you. That is the reason they are coming back to you. Let them forgive and leave them, release them. Appreciate and acknowledge whatever they have done, appreciate them. And whatever this new person is doing for you, appreciate them, acknowledge them. Okay? Honor your ancestors, give freely. You should honor your ancestor because pay some gratitude to our ancestor because they have sent you this new person one step at a time, slowly, steadily. move forward with your new person. Sign, watch out your sign. Watch out that this person is coming towards you, this past person. They can ruin your situation, this new situation. What will be the guidance for Sagittarius? Accept. What is going on? Accept it first. What will be the guidance? You got this. Yeah, you got this. You got this messages, right? Time to take action. Dive. Allow yourself to rest. You have to take rest because lots of thing is going on in your energy. So rest properly. Deep dive. You have to understand each and everything properly, each and every energy. Cut the cord. Yes, what I was expecting, that angels are saying cut the cords. Show forgiveness to the past person and cut the cord for with this person. And then release this person. Patience is the key. Help others. Angels are saying help others to get help from yourself. Light up your soul, trust your instinct. Your instinct will heal yourself. Okay, heal yourself from the past and trust your instinct that whatever is your energy is saying, it will happen. Okay, so this is the energy for the Sagittarius. If you like this reading, thank you. If you want these types of reading, then subscribe to my channel and click the bell button for notifications. If you want any types of private reading, then there will be email ID in the beginning of the introduction. There you will get the information and you can contact me with that email ID. Okay, or you can get it from the description box of the channel. Okay, bye bye, have fun.